Welcome everyone to Sunny Best Cook. Thank you guys for tuning in, for liking, for sharing, and also for subscribing. Today we're gonna be making some soup. Okay, some nice soup. So we have chicken foot, we have piece of steak, we have some cow skin, we have pumpkin, we have some thyme, okra, some sweet corn, and we have the noodles. Okay, some cocoa, yellow yam, sweet potato, scallion. Can't make it without the scallion. Okay, and we have the seasoning, pimento seeds, salt, adobo, and this one is Savon tropical seasoning. We have a flour. Okay, so let's join in and you will see the next part of this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So here we have the meat already washed. Okay, the chicken foot, we cut up the cow skin, and we have the piece of steak. So we're gonna put it on the fire just to let that cook. Here we have the pot with the water already on the stove. Okay, here we have the soup. Okay, the chicken foot in the pot, so we're gonna put in the pumpkin. We already cut it up very small, so we're just gonna add that to the pot. Small pieces. So I'm just gonna boil out and give it the color. So here we have the soup going on. Okay, we're just waiting on everything to cook before we add the other ingredients.